Today, I'm giving you a 60-second masterclass on how to feel better after every single meal with mindful eating tips. These are the habits that turn eating from a chore into a restorative experience. Start with posture. Sit upright. This opens your digestive tract and helps into stay present. The 3-breath rule. Before your first bite, take 3 deep breaths. This shifts your body from stress to rest and digest. Pace your chewing. Aim for 20 chews per bite. This bridges the 20-minute gap your brain needs to register fullness. Savor the senses. Notice the texture, smell, and complex flavors of your food. When you truly enjoy your food, you naturally stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. The fork reset. Put your fork down between every bite. It's the simplest way to kill the habit of rushing. Acquiring these habits takes practice, but CalmBite makes it easy. It gives you real-time pacing prompts and mindful cues, so you never have to guess. Download CalmBite today and start your journey.